around, you break your necks. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm affect us to lose our inhibition. Follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from tradition. Cause when we be out, girl, it's pulling we out. You wouldn't believe how we wow shit out. We burn it till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from northwest, east, south.
Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stupid, get retarded, get retarded, get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here.
Lose control, my body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started, get stupid. Don't worry about it, people will walk you through it step by step like the infant new kid. Inch by inch with a new solution. Transmit hits with no delusion.
Everybody, everybody, get stupid, get retarded, get retarded, get retarded. Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. Let's get retarded. Let's get retarded in here. Let's get retarded in here. Come on, y'all. Let's get retarded. Let's go.
Left it on the trainer. On the way. Bobby said very
Close your mind, this is the time. Walk and stand still, twist and bang your spine. That's what they're